Hello, Saturday morning. It's been a week since I last checked in. We went to bring the caravan home, and this may well be a different video, I'm not sure, but it's the 4th of November, and it's absolutely freezing. The heating isn't working properly, so yet another plumbing problem for us. So yeah, we've got to get that sorted. The fire has broken, and it's a gas fire, so that is another plumbing problem. And so is the downstairs toilet. It's just continuously flushing. So yeah, I'm just really cold. I've got a heater on. I'm getting ready to go to Manchester for the day. So yeah, I'll take you along. Oh, I'm rushing again. I'm always rushing. So, I realised I didn't actually say the reason why we're going to Manchester. I'm going for a ski lesson. So we're going skiing in February. I've never done it before. Chris apparently is fantastic and can do like the black ski runs. So, going for a lesson. Chris's sister-in-law as well has not done it before, so we're going to have a little girly day in the Trafford Centre, and look at doing a bit of Christmas shopping, and then we are going to go for a ski lesson. So I have bought some stuff for skiing, because obviously I didn't have anything at all, and I was going to send it back because I tried it on and I felt like an absolute idiot in it. And then I forgot to send it back in time. So now I'm stuck with it. But one thing that I didn't have was a coat, and I also didn't have any gloves. So I've borrowed off my lovely friend Charles, letting me borrow some of her coat and her gloves for today, just as a trial run to see what it's like, how awful I am at skiing, and how many more lessons I'm going to need, and I'm going to buy some of my own stuff. So yes, and it's an exciting day. And then tomorrow is bonfire night, and that is traditionally, as a kid, like there would always be massive bonfires and like firework displays around for us to go to. And then my mum and dad's group of friends, who all had kids my age, we would always have at somebody's house, somebody's house would do a lovely big like bonfire party, and all us kids would go in our Halloween costumes from that year, and there's just not as much going on now. So I've decided I'm gonna do a little sort of cozy bonfire night here tomorrow at our house with the family. So getting some things ready for that. We've bought some fireworks, and I actually know it's a bit of a contentious issue. So what I've actually done is just bought some like quite quiet ones. But my nan and granddad, they enjoy getting together and doing things. So I've just bought some like little small colourful ones that say that they're not that loud. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm quite looking forward to it. We've actually just had our final door put on this morning, so I now have a full set of rooms with doors. It's a functioning house, so that's good. We're happy with that. And yeah, that's the plan. So we've got this week quite full of festivities, and then next weekend I'm going to be trying to finish off the decorating. I am determined to get this house finished. That means that this week I need to sort of pull together a bit of a list of all the things that we need to buy to finish the house off. I still haven't booked hotels for our holiday that we're going on in like 3 weeks. This isn't going well, is it? So yeah, all systems go. But I'm just counting my blessings. I mean, the news at the moment, I'm not watching the mainstream news. I just am horrified by the things that I'm seeing online. Like there's people like me that go about that filming their days, and they're showing us live what's happening abroad and the conflict, and it's a stark contrast to what's actually being shown on the news over here, and it just makes me horrified that the media has so much power in this country, and they're just basically trying to like brainwash us. Like I've been watching the Hunger Games again recently, and it just like they've made a whole film out of how kids are getting killed, and you know how like control and propaganda, and that's exactly what's happening here, and it's real life, and it's just devastating. So yeah, I mean that's another level to the firework thing this year, isn't it? You know, like we're all celebrating these explosions in the sky, and people are being killed by explosions overseas, and it's just devastating. I can't believe it's unfolding in front of us live on Instagram. You know, who would have thought that that was going to be the future that we're living in now? Okay, that took a bit of a turn. Catch you soon. Absolutely knackered. Walked right the way around the Trafford Centre, and now I'm carrying a load of heavy bags, and now we've got to go for a 2-hour ski lesson. So I'm shattered. Do I need this? Or the gear, no idea. Mission accomplished. First lesson done. And I didn't fall in. Have you had a nice day, Lil?
Yeah.
What's your favourite part?
Claire's.
Claire's, yeah. You got earrings, didn't you?
Yeah, and the Japanese shop.
And you, let's see you, Teddy. Oh. You had a nice day, Chris?
Yeah. Okay.
I've had a very nice day. Very, very nice day. Chris is like, how do you build one of these? Talking about the Trafford Centre. Sunday morning. No, it's not Sunday afternoon. So yeah, I've just realised that I actually haven't taken any videos of our new couch. So here it is. This is what I got from the hospice shop. I'm absolutely made up with it for £190, and the donation goes straight to a hospice. So I think I'm probably going to change the cushions, because I mean it goes very well with like how I did used to have things in here, but I think I'd like it all a little bit more neutral now. But for now it's fine. We need to redecorate things in here because we've got a lot of water damage that hasn't quite been touched up and stuff, so it's good enough for now. Hello, it is Sunday afternoon. I appear to be living in this at the moment because it's freezing. I'm waiting for the heating to come on. I'm just about to make myself an omelette. I've actually made it to the gym today and I've done a food shop. So winning an adult life today. It's bonfire night and we're having the family round, so I need to get the table ready. I've got a few nice little things I'm excited to use. These little cakes with acorns on them. And we've got some gingerbread swirls. So yeah, everyone knows I love preparing for a little party. So yeah, just gonna have a cup of tea. I've started to put together a bit of a hot chocolate station. But that's pretty much the plans for today. The house is coming together. We've got some new doors. This all needs glossing now and painting. We are slowly getting there. I've started to put some pictures up on the walls, but do you know how hard it is to just only pick so many photos? So I need another 6 to go on there. But yeah, I'm quite excited for tonight. Bonfire night is one of my favourites. For sure. What would you rate it out of 10?
Jeg kan komme og det kan jeg så sige.
You're good. Something. There we go. Nearly back to being in a room again. First one, here we go. Oh.
Just get started, will you? Are you getting there?
Everyone's gone home now. Chris has just taken everyone home. I mean, it is Sunday, but I would love to have cracked open more wine, but here we are. So I'm deciding to make myself a little hot chocolate whilst everything's out. It's just been the loveliest night. I mean, you know my nan's happy when she says, I've had a lovely time 10 times. And our Brucey even said he liked the music. Now that from him is a plus. I think most of the music that I've filmed, I mean, it's fine for like our family videos that I'm making, but if I'm trying to collate some other videos together, then I'm not going to be able to have our music on it, because we've had lots of like 60s, 70s songs on, and I'll probably get copyrighted if I put anything online. But we've had such a nice night. We've toasted marshmallows, we've had hot choc, we've had lots of food, lots of wine, and yeah, it's been really nice. Dad and Grandad have been telling Chris stories about when they've like, once they picked up a boat when my mum had cancer, and they got like stopped by the police because a tyre went rolling over the motorway and stuff. And yeah, they were like exchanging stories of, because my granddad used to be a lorry driver, and obviously Chris has done lorry driving as well. So it was just really lovely. Lots of food, lots of drink, and now we're all tired. But it's just been a lovely night. It's what I was hoping for. It was just really nice. Some fireworks, a fire, food and drink, and yeah, it was lovely. So hopefully I managed to get a few videos along the way. I've just spilt milk everywhere, so I'm just trying to clean it up. Very, very happy Charles going to bed this evening in a lovely, nearly finished house with lots of candles lit. So happy as Larry, very happy. So it's Saturday morning, I think it's the 11th of November today. Woken up and it's beautiful, clear blue skies and the sun is shining, and I have to spend the day indoors today because I'm decorating. So when I signed up to the gym like 5 or 6 years ago, I told myself if I went 3 times a week, it would be money well spent. And I probably go 3 times a month if I'm lucky. But last couple of weeks I have actually made it 3 or 4 times a week. Apart from this week, I've only been once, and it's Saturday, so I have to go today and tomorrow now. Otherwise, I've fallen back into the same pattern of wasting my money, which is what I tend to be quite good at when it comes to the gym. So yeah, a day indoors at the gym and getting the decorating finished, because the decorator has had a stroke. And I think I need to do something about my hair. Okay, I am literally living in this fleece at the moment. It's so cold everywhere. Our heating's not working. So yeah, our heating's not properly working at the moment. It's on, but not getting cold. It's on, but it's not getting warm. And yeah, it's freezing in the house, basically. So lots going on. So my car's just been making a funny noise, and I got straight on the phone to my dad. What else do you do when your car makes a funny noise? Oh God, it's such a bad angle.
I'm sure I
Really,
can
your
help out
onion
with
rings, don't worry, Nana.
I don't like them.
You don't like onion rings?
I only like raw onion.
Ooh.
Did you say that was cucumber?
What's she like?
Can Grandad and I come?
Yeah? You can stay in the garden.
Oh, Charlotte, don't take me, love. I'm not.
What did you say?
I'm too wrinkly and old.
You're beautiful.
I'm not.
This is Chris's version of the couch. In the middle of the night, he was elbowing me, so I came down and got these cushions and made him a nest on the floor because he was keeping me awake so much because Amelia was staying in the spare room. And this is after my saying to him, "Can you make the couch cushions right?" This is what we're stuck with. There we go. So yeah, I'm absolutely shattered because my sleep was very, very broken last night. And I would love nothing more than to just lie on the couch with a cup of tea and watch a film or something. But 2 weeks today we will be on a plane, and I therefore have a deadline to get this house finished, and it's not. So had a really nice weekend so far. I did do quite a bit of painting and decorating yesterday. I need to finish some off today. And then we went for a lovely meal with my nana and granddad and Chris and Amelia last night. And we've just been, Dad, Amelia and I, we had breakfast here, and then we somehow managed to convince my dad to go to a garden centre with us. So we had a nice little walk around and a coffee. And sometimes I don't know what it is, but coffee just makes me feel very tired afterwards. I think that's the opposite to the desired effect, isn't it? But Chris has gone out for a hike with the lads, so it's absolutely pouring down. He's going to come back freezing, I think. But he said I'll be back in 4 hours, which is conveniently just around the time that I reckon I'll be finished doing the painting. So yeah, it's a miserable, cold November day. So no excuses really to not get some painting and decorating done. We are nearly there with this house. Just come for a swim, covered in paint all over my face. please.
You have to move this chair. It's annoying. You have to really get into it. Tired now?
Chris doesn't like to dance to the beat. I don't know why you said you had to put the song on to dance to it, because you don't dance to it at all. You just
I entertain us. Oh, we've met at the kitchen door.
Oh. Chris said we have to stop having fun now. It's Sunday. We've just got home. We've been to see a cafe that some of Chris's family have just bought into, so that was really cool, seeing all the kids running around. And what jobs do we have to do today, Chris?
Tidying. This is all clean.
Yeah, tidying. We're going on holiday next weekend, so we need to get everything sorted. So we've got to tidy and pack, haven't we?
There's bed. Oh. And dogs.
Oh yeah. Have you had a nice weekend?
Always.
Do we have a date on Friday?
Yeah.
You're shy now.
Alright.
You saw your social battery dancing.
That's good. Did it look as good as I felt?
Yeah, it's fantastic. Checking in from the madhouse. It's Wednesday, we go on holiday on Saturday. Lots and lots to finish off with the house. I've literally been decorating of an evening. Just been to have my nails done. I've had my hair done. Tomorrow is lashes. And I literally was talking about laser with my nail girl, whipped my leg out, showing my leg, and found that there was paint all over it. And I was like, honestly, I do shower. It's just been that chaotic that I haven't even had chance to like pay attention to my knees. Can we just enjoy the fact that I don't have a hole in the bathroom, from the bathroom in the kitchen ceiling anymore? That has been there for 5 years. That is where we had lots and lots of water coming down and where the house flooded from, and it's finally boxed in and painted. So haven't even had a chance for tea yet, but I've been going since about 5:30 this morning, so I definitely need a shower. We've just got so much like admin stuff. Do you know before you go on holiday, you've got to like, there's just so many different things that you've got to do. We've got all of that. Plus I'm trying to get the house ready for me to have a bit of a birthday party when I get back. And I'm trying to get it finished decorating wise. So I was literally going around the house with paintbrushes last night, trying to touch up every bit of paint that has been damaged with all of the stuff. So Christmas songs have just been on in the car, and it just feels so strange. I feel like it's like the most longest never-ending year. Just so much stuff going on. It definitely doesn't feel festive because I'm like looking at flip-flops online. I'm packing swim costumes and stuff. So we've tried to do a bit of festive stuff. We went to Cheshire Oaks to the Christmas market on Friday, and then we're going to London on Saturday, so that's going to be really festive. But yeah, just so much to do, so little time. Work is so busy, really interesting, and also like with the house, like things are getting to a really good stage. But honest to God, I'm just like so busy, so tired. I keep waking up at 5 a.m. every day. I think it's because I'm like thinking of all of the things that I have to do. So yeah, that's why I haven't been checking in. But don't worry, I'm gonna have plenty of time to check in. We're gonna have a few really busy days. We're going to London, then we're going to Ethiopia, then we're going to the Seychelles. So yeah, watch this space. Very exciting. Cannot wait. And I'm just hoping that this is going to be like the end of an era, like the end of the house, you know, saga. And actually just more about... Oh, sorry, there's so much stuff on this camera. I've got to change the lens. I've got to change the cover thing for it. So here's something that'll make you laugh. I'm trying to get my hair to grow long, and my hairdresser's always telling me off, saying that I need to stop straightening it and using purple shampoo. So this is the new thing, so that it doesn't get frizzy in the shower and I don't have to straighten it. Oh god. So yeah, Chris said I look very beautiful in it, but this is the new me every day. Okay, check in soon. And after? It's actually the day after. And I've also got a new phone case because my other one was disgusting. So I'm just about to do these. About to put some pictures up on the wall because the day we come home is my work's Christmas do, and then the next day we are having friends and family round for my birthday for some bacon butties and some drinks in the afternoon. So for years I had no pictures in most of the picture frames, so I didn't want people to come round yet another time and me not have any photos in the frames. So I actually think I'm gonna probably put one from this holiday that we're about to go on in this frame, but for now I've got this picture of us in Dubai, but because it is a selfie and it is so close, oh god, I just fell over, because this is so close, I'm actually sort of thinking I want one where we're a bit further away, because you can see all our lumps and bumps and everything. But yes, it's a beautiful one nonetheless. Some other photos going up. Dad and the girlies. This is a photo when my mum was poorly before she passed away, so kind of sad, but it's the last family photo we got. Monica's wedding. The boys when they went to California. And I love this one. This is me with my mum and dad in Centre Parks when I was a kid. Centre Parks is my favourite place ever. And yeah, I just love this. I think it's a really cute picture. So yeah, just unnecessary jobs that I've decided that I must get done before we go on holiday tomorrow. As well as loads of washing. As though packing for a holiday for 2 weeks isn't enough, I've decided to get loads of housework done. And also throw a party on the day we get back. So breathe. This time tomorrow I'll be in London, hopefully drinking some form of alcohol and officially on holiday. So yeah, see you soon. Happy to be coming to nice pretty little cafes in London.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pink pear. Lucky eyeball.
What's it?
So nice. And that's going to make it look nicer.
He doesn't want to call me.
I'm filming, you could tell.
I'm pretty impressed.
What did you just say?
Where's the lights?
Come to Covent Garden to see the lights, and that's what he says. Beautiful. That's more like it, apparently.
They sell apples.
Apples. I was thinking more like a cocktail, actually. Oh yeah, shit. There's lots and lots of police in there. Blowing your nose. Oh, you sad? Oh, it's cold. It is cold. I just want to wine, really. But yes, here we are.